Hi crafty friend, it's Justine. Today I'm going to unbox the card kit of the month for August 2023. It looks like this one is called The Fun Life, and I haven't opened up any of the contents yet, but I can kind of peek through the window here and it looks like it's a pretty colorful one. So let's just dive right into it and see what's inside. Today is August 1st. It's release day for Spellbinders for all of their club items. So make sure to check out all of the clubs. I'm going to have everything linked below, including the contents, including the card kit, but today I'll be unboxing it, and I will also be posting a video soon with the cards that I make from this card kit, which I'm already just kind of looking at everything, and it looks like the colors really coordinate well this month, so I'm already excited, and it looks like it's going to be a very cheerful one. So here's a look at the inspiration sheet. If you want to pause the video, you can take a longer look at it. And then on the back, they go ahead and tell you how to make your own card if you wanted to copy this one that they have here. So that's always helpful, just to give a little inspiration just in case you're not sure where to start. Okay, well, speaking of starting, I'm going to go ahead and just go through all the contents. First, I see these really pretty disc sequins. They don't have the center hole punched out. That's why I call them disc sequins. These are perfect for shaker cards and just regular embellishments, and they always give us so much in a card kit, so I always am excited about sequins. Oh, plus when you mail them, it's flat and it's not going to punch through an envelope. Of course, in a card kit, they give us the double-sided tape and the foam squares, which is very helpful. I use all of this by the time I get next month's card kit. I promise. I'm going to save the die cut shapes for the very end. I will lay these out like I usually do. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I lay these out so I can work with them. So just hang on and we'll get to these in just a little bit. Wow, these are some fun puffy stickers. It looks like they're all sentiments and then some shapes. I just love these squishy stickers. I don't know why, but it's very satisfying to squish them. It looks like there's a lot of kind of happy stuff, and it looks like there's some like birthday kind of sentiments, like yay, it's your day, happy day, let the good times roll. And I like the color scheme because I think that some of these could be kind of like masculine or neutral, which is always nice because not everyone wants a big flower card. Some people do, myself included, but you know, whoa. There is a ton of big words on the chipboard stickers this time. Adventure, relax, good vibes, happy day. This is a really fun kind of card kit. It's called The Fun Life, so naturally the contents would be fun. I really like the cherries on this one. I think that's really sweet. And this little sun just looks very endearing. Next we have the 20 card panels. These are all 5 1/4 by, no, these are all 5 1/2 by 4 1/4, which is the A2 size for cards. Looks like there's purple, light pink, bright yellow, green, and blue, which it looks like this is going to match everything really nicely, which I love that in card kits they really do take time to design everything so it coordinates, and that just helps make fabulous cards. And with the quick and easy card kit from Spellbinders, it is kind of a quick process to make some cards, but a fun one. If you're going to make cards, you need some card bases, so they of course give us card bases, which kind of is something that stands out from Spellbinders card kits. I've received other companies' card kits in the past. They don't always give you a card base in envelopes, let alone 8, which I've got one before that it had 2. And I just thought, really? 2? But 8 is a good start for me. I do like their cards because the inside is super smooth and the outside has that linen finish. So if you wanted to use this white space on your card, it's already kind of textured. So that's sweet. And then the envelopes are a standard white envelope, which is very helpful. Just give you a little glance at it. It's the wet to seal type of envelope. Moving on to, let's do the pattern paper. This is one of my favorite parts about card kits because on the pattern paper, it can be kind of the jumping point for different card designs. So this is always kind of my favorite. Okay, this is like all of my favorite colors. These are very sweet little roller skates and stripes. And of course the foiling, that is just so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I just love foiling. Ooh, little bikes. Dots. Rainbows are always perfect for birthday cards. I just love making colorful birthday cards. And I think that's what I'm going to probably lean towards. I guess it depends on the sentiments. I haven't checked those out yet. And then what's in here. But these colors are just really pretty. And another foil paper with those very pretty butterflies. Adorable. More rainbow. More foiling. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. That would be a beautiful wallpaper. And some polka dots, flowers. We have sunglasses with different shapes. That's kind of cute too. Green, adorable smiley faces. And oh, this one's cute. This one's really unique. Oh, I wish I had like 5 of these. But alas, 1 of each. Okay, and now let's look at the puffy sentiment stickers. I just loved using these for July's card kit. You can check out that video on my channel, but I used almost the entire sheet of the puffy sentiments. These are just my go-to sentiment for card kits. Whenever they have these in a card kit, I love them. Anyway, I am going to lay out all of these little die cut shapes, and okay, this leopard is just really sweet. Look at her. Oh. Okay. Focus. I'm going to lay out all of these little die cuts, and then I will show you in a few seconds what they all look like. Now that I have everything laid out, I'll just walk you through my process of how I organize everything. So you saw how I gently opened up the package, and that's really just to keep everything together with its mate. Every piece comes with 2 different ones. If you're super duper lucky, you might get a third. It's happened to me like 5 times in my life. I don't know, call it a lucky day, but everything else usually is 2. So there's 2 suns, 2 bikes, 2 cameras, etc. So everything on this tray over here is all just, I would call just general things. So things that you can add that are just kind of like extras, that are usually things that are not food or animals or flowers, and I have everything else kind of organized that way. And then over here I have some symbols, so we have some fun arrows this time, and then a peace sign. On this tray I have all of my flowers and leaves, just so I can make some flower scenes later. This one is a frame, so it can be popped out like this. And then there's that other flower right in the center there. I have all my hearts over here, animals and people over here. I guess there's just one gal, but there's 2 of her. And I think these are super fun this time. She is skateboarding, there's scootering, this one's scootering, this one's some roller skates, so it's just very playful. And of course I love a little bird. And then all of the food is over here. So just generally looking at everything, it looks like it's a really kind of spunky card kit. It's a lot of bright colors. There's some rainbow tones to it, so I think to me this reads birthday. So I'm hopefully going to make a lot of birthday cards. We shall see. I typically receive the card kits pretty early in advance so I can design them and show things to you on YouTube normally. This time shipment was a little bit delayed, so I am getting this card kit, I think, what is today? Today's the 27th, so I have a ton of family stuff going on this weekend, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get my 8 cards 1 kit video up by the 1st, but I am going to try my very best. One thing before I finish here, I just want to mention I usually snip the sides of the sticker packs so I can look at them with the white background, but then slide it out. If I want to use this good, I can just kind of quickly pop it off, pull it on, put it on my project, and then I can slide these here back in the packaging so they're all protected, but I don't have to fuss around with this back piece. So just a little life hack for you. So I'll do that for all of these as I finish up. So if you are a card kit member already, you can go ahead and check your club memberships this month on your account. But if you are not a club member, you'll have to wait until the 6th to add this one to your club subscriptions. But either way, I hope that you like this card kit. I'm sure that I will. I just have to start making things. So that's where I will leave you. Have a wonderful rest of your day and happy crafting. I hope you make something amazing today. We'll see you next time. Bye. Just hit the camera. We'll see ya. Bye.